Okay, hey YouTube. Today I'm going to be scratching off some $1 Florida lottery tickets. There's the Snowbirds Doubler Edition, as you can see right there, and they have a overall odd of 1 in every 4.88 tickets, and I have 5 of them here, so odds are one's going to win, if not 2. So, yeah, it's my first video of these scratch-offs, so if you have any suggestions for me to make the videos better, leave those down in the comments, and, just get scratching. Alright, we'll scratch the numbers first. So we got a 13, 19, 20, or no, 9, sorry, 2, and a 16. Winning number 19. So we do actually have a 19. Okay, I'm gonna save that till last. We'll see what we won after we scratched them all. So here we go. We got a 7, 8. Try to make it fast. 10, 3. And a 16. Winning number is 1. So that one is not a winner. Next ticket, we got a 1, which should have been on the last ticket, an 8, a 13, 5, and a double. I think that means you won double what it says there. Match any of your numbers to one number, one prize shown for that number, get a double symbol, and one double prize shown. Yep, so double whatever that number is, that's cool. We won on 2 so far. 2 more to go. Let's see if any others can be a winner. So, we're beating the odds right now. 6, 2, no wait, 12, sorry. 20, 17, and 18. Winning number is 8. So, not that one. Let's see. 5. Oh, I see $500 for that. That would be nice. 14. 6. 1. 18. Winning number is 7. So, we won on 2 out of 5, which it's better than what the odds are. So odds are 1 out of almost 5 tickets. So yeah, we beat the odds. So let's see what our double is. It's probably either $1 or $2, and it is $1. So we win $2. So if this one's $3, then we broke even. So 19. Let's see what that is, and it is $1. So overall, out of these 5 tickets, I am down $2, but we did beat the odds, so that is good. And yeah, keep watching for more scratch-off videos, and thanks for watching this video. Alright, there's the Snowbirds Doubler from the Florida Lottery. Thanks for watching, bye.